Yo, good afternoon, World Wide Web of the internet. That's afternoon, it could be morning, could be night, could be, what's she doing? Could be any time of day. It is January, welcome to 2018, if you made it. That's a little bit dark, isn't it? Welcome to 2018. Not done any videos for a while, to be honest. Mainly since the break-in happened at the garage. I had another attempt to break in a little bit later on, and it's just been a bit of a shitstorm, if I can put it bluntly. I cannot stand fucking thieves in this world. Anyway, I digress. But today's video is not really a video. I started making a few videos here and there throughout the last few months, which didn't really get completed, so I just thought I'll just pin a couple of the videos here, because I am going to start doing a few more. There's a couple of exciting hobbies coming up this summer. As you probably know from the last video, the paramotoring is something that I'm getting into. I've done a little bit more of it, not really that far ahead on it yet, because it's winter, it's cold, it's wet, it's miserable, and yeah, it's just not the time for doing it. But all the gear's there, and I am ready to kick that off very soon, all being well. But here's a quick clip of playing around with my new wing. I was just doing a bit of kiting, so I put this little video together. Yeah, not my normal kind of video, I was just pissing around. Then here's the break-in video. Well, no, we had the original break-in, as you remember, where the glass got broken, and then a couple of little scroats tried, I think it was 2 o'clock in the morning, I think it's time-stamped on the video there, but yeah, they tried to break in the door again. The last time they came in through the wall, which I've now sorted, I'm not going to say how, but it's not going to happen again. Well, touch wood, it's not going to happen again now, what I've done. But the door is fucking impenetrable, it's ridiculous. But these little scroats had to go there. They must have been there for half an hour, the sort of damage they did, but they didn't get in anyway. But this is the video of these little pricks. If you recognise them, I'm assuming they're from Sheffield, post a comment and let me know who these fuckers are, and we'll get them sorted out. So yeah, there goes dickhead number one, who's just walked up assessing the door. Little sense lights have come on from the garage. Doesn't really deter him, but he's not seen the camera up in the corner. And then you can see dickhead mate number two, who's just running up in the foreground now, or the background. He's got the bolt cutters with him. First guy's got the crowbar, sets to work on one of the hinges, which is just ridiculous. I mean, it's never going to work. These guys didn't come prepared, they're just chances. If they knew what they were coming for, there's no way they'd brought those tools. You'd have had to bring something that builds fucking ships with. But there he goes, gets the crowbar into one of the front locks. Even if you got that off, which they did, there's about another 20 locks behind the door, so it was never going to happen. And then, quick cut further on, he looks up, spots the camera, tells his mate, covers his face, and then decides to uncover again, just for good measure. So yeah, nice people, nice boys. What else have we done? Truck's coming along a little bit. I don't think much has happened since the last video I did of it. There's been a bit of like preventive maintenance work done, service and stuff like that. There's a big Toyota sticker on the back. Have I shown that? Does that read backwards because I'm filming it in reverse, or on the screen does it look normal way? Right, anyway, there's a big Toyota thing. The lights for the roof and for the grille, I've finally nailed down which ones I want to get. They are the KC Highlight ones. I'm going for the halogen bulbs over the LEDs purely by cost, because the cost of the LED gravity ones are just insane. But I'm heading out to Florida in about 6 to 7 weeks time, or 5, I don't know. Going out to Florida very soon anyway for a bit of a holiday, so I figured I might as well pick them up while I'm there. They work out about 40% cheaper if I do that. So once I get back from my holiday, I will be chucking those on the roof and the grill, which I'm looking forward to. Oh yeah, and we've started to grow the beard again. I think I started growing in the last video I did, but it was a lot shorter than this. I don't know if I explained the reason why I was shaving the beard off. I was going to do another video in about 6 months' time once it had been a year's growth, but I wanted to take a picture in the bathroom mirror every morning or every other morning of the growth and do a sort of time-lapse video of it coming together. So I've done the first 4 months video, so yeah, take a look. It's not that great yet because it's only up to a certain point, but this is the first 4 months. And that is pretty much what's been keeping me busy this last few months. I almost forgot about the Lamborghini. This one was fucking off the hook. Mate of mine turned up with a Lambo for the day to play around with. Unfortunately, I think nearly every clip, or about 30 seconds, got deleted from my phone somehow. He was doing most of the filming while I was driving, so I'll blame this prick for it. But yeah, here's the Lamborghini. It's a little on the tight side. Yeah, that's definitely not built for people my size. As you can imagine, absolutely gutted the footage from that is not there. We got some awesome clips of this thing. It sounded just off the hook. If we get it back again, I'll get some more footage. I'm sure he'll turn up. He's always got all kinds of cars rocking around the place. But yeah, gutted, but that was the Lambo day. Anyway, just getting a bag of crisps, then it's going to go back to the original video. Back to the video. I said there's a few more bits coming up. I'm heading down to Silverstone for the Formula 1 this year for the first time ever, which will be nice. Taking the motorhome, doing the whole weekend. So I will no doubt post a video from Silverstone this year, which I'm looking forward to. I turned 40, so going down with a few mates. This is for my 40th birthday, so yeah, bring that on, can't wait. Anyway, hope everybody's well. I will try and get some more interesting videos up in the near future. For now, I hope everyone's well. Take care. Bye bye.